or dough or fried dumpling, you have to gauge the fire. So you have to turn it up and down, up and down. Because if you keep it on one level, say for instance it's too high, like a while ago I think it was too high. You see how this one, it's still golden brown but it got a little bit dark here. You have to gauge the fire, turn it up and down, and ensure that you turn the dough on the side so that it can cook all the way through and soak through properly. I remember when I just started learning how to fry dumplings, the outside would be nice and the inside would be raw. And that's because you don't allow it to cook on the sides and for the heat to penetrate without the outside getting too brown too quickly. So you have to gauge the heat. You turn it, put it on the lowest setting, allow it to cook through, and then when you turn it up, that's when you allow it to get the color that you want. That's how I did it.